Afkona Sise. Welcome again to another edition of Talk to the Camera. Fambo, today the camera can work out with you all the way in New England parking run for talk to drivers them and also passengers them concerning the 3 days lockdown where government don't give. And also forget to know from them how do they prepare for this 3 days lockdown if they're facing the right method this government they use for fertility and the message that they send to viewers them out there. We they go now and talk to them people here, forget their young views concerning the 3 days lockdown. Morning and welcome to this interview. Go tell me your name.
Howdy morning, ma. How you doing?
What's your name?
My name is Mohamed Mansari.
Mohamed, as a driver, how you prepare for the lockdown?
Well, the lockdown is not really easy anyway because we just can't get on the spectator no more. So we simply fight time for more feed the family, but they're not staying for the lockdown.
But you feel saying that the right method government they use for fertility?
Yeah, well, if they do the lockdown, if I made a sick try down at the country, all no citizen in this country like this sick. All want me to see come on at the country. So we simply be here, we comport ourselves, we abide to the law.
How you can do as a driver for prevent yourself say no get this?
Yes, you know, say myself get me, no spring back to fix. I get me on corner but this morning I know we will fix it. I can still fix it for me. So myself get me way do with me right now. Myself can fix it. But why they work so? For the cannot the candle and they touch nobody for the make cannot fix them first. But why not the candle and the most carry fix them go to me?
But you know say this sick they transfer through the year, and government not say proper word for it,
Yeah, all the way around by God in power.
Alright, so now the message they send to people.
So when they send message to people then, me all my abide to the law because this sick na the whole world. It is not to salon one. So all go for very be careful. You know, say long life for everybody until it's sweet. So go for take your time. You know, me they send a message to all the citizens me are the more patient, more abide to the law. So thank you.
Thank you very much. Good morning to you and welcome to this interview. Go tell me your name.
My name is Joseph Asmani.
Alright, Joseph, why making our marks this morning?
Well, I don't kind of now, just say, how can I sit a member? I get some money. Why are you going to office? I'm going where?
But you know, say government say we for real and power in our public.
Yeah.
Alright. Joseph, how you dey prepare for the 3 days lockdown?
Well, now they go so for now. Everybody alert. As we go now, we'll go buy with for car and put on a house. As the government say, we got to obey the law. A lot of fight this sick. Anyway, then say, no problem.
But how you feel?
Well, so no side, I don't know from no side. Okay. We're going to follow up to fight the sick. We're going to for people for everybody. But for me, I'm comfortable.
Alright. So you feel saying that the right method this government they use in order for fertility?
Yeah.
How you they do for prevent yourself say no go get this?
As you say, when you go wash where you mark, even like working place, as you come back, wash after 20 minutes or 30 minutes. I think at that time the prevention then social distance get for there.
Alright. So what's not the message you they send to people them out there?
We all get for follow the procedure what the government say. They say anything where they're not country, and the country they go have problem. But we all get for take the law and dance to the tune. What the government say. So that's me the same message to everybody for all the take the prevention the government say.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Good morning to you and welcome to this interview. Go tell me your name.
My name is Campbell.
Why you not use the marks?
I got my marks, then so I'm in for bag.
Alright, but you know say government say we for use them, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, you can wear it now.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. How you feel for this 3 days lockdown? What do you think about that?
I'm good because for the health, for the sick without, so I'm glad for that. God go provide for it to do. So I'm not telling me they're gonna go back fasting then. So I'm not going nothing for saving.
But you feel that the right method is government they use?
Yes, not so the bad method because I say they protect everybody from the sick.
Alright. But then how you they prepare now today?
Well, at the song now, they go buy their fasting there while they prepare for me and my family for what to go get and sustain life.
Alright. And how you they protect yourself so you don't get this?
Well, how they do so, now so I go protect myself from not get sick. Don't, and not for the jam with people there, any so I go for wash me and for do anything.
So what's your message to people them out there?
So, let them see what myself don't do, so they're going to take a bright example for show the one whole world saying I saw them for do.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning to you and welcome to this interview. Go tell me your name.
Na my name Fode Conte.
Fode, how you feel about this lockdown when an urgent one we don't get so?
But the lockdown right now, people are not there in that good condition. Right now, all man they grumble, saying look hard for people. And right now, right now, outside them they expect say they forget. Government don't lock every side. Outside lock right now.
Right. But then you feel saying that the right method is government they use?
Well, when you look you go see and say the right thing. But right now, good economic business kind of money not there in the country. People they work kind of prepare brother they work. Also they expect them for and get they work for and pay them back. At some business, it's not easy for them. That's it. So me and say not to the right thing to do. Because if not the right thing for make provision for people then you go see and say not the right thing, but I not to the right thing. All man grumble right now.
So how you they prepare?
But right now, they prepare. Afo gets, we go now to right now. I go left me mama. The Afo gets now. I go buy some till put on house. I go buy half stocks for put on house so the lockdown.
Concerning preventing yourself so that you know will get sick, how you they prevent yourself?
Well, just waiting on the Ministry of Health and Sanitation. It talk. See what's Sian every day. And right now, I get me mask in my pockets. But before I Canada, was some base in the day, so I don't wash me. I get sanitizer. I don't go right now. So we done that.
But you know, say government say papa if already mask within a public.
Yeah, but I'm the feel hot. I make a puller. I'm very anxious.
But you know, say now another way for prevent yourself. Eh?
Yeah, that's it. Correct.
Alright, so we encourage you for do please try and wear the mask. Yeah.
Okay, man.
Alright, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Good morning to you. Welcome to this interview. We'll tell you your name.
My name is Abubakar Samba. I live at number 84 Street, CID. They work for me, they don't mean a driver.
Abubakar, as a driver, how you feel for get this urgent lockdown?
This urgent lockdown with the lock, we're not happy because why? Through this motkaya we live. If they made the lockdown, how we will survive? With family, they will get so like we get woman, we get picking, we get family, and through this motkaya we survive. Now they make the big one there. Let them able assist you. They don't make this lockdown. Let them able assist you. If not small, let them able can give. We don't able survive because now they able get who survive. Do the pray for mercy. Like we not too much can we survive. Not too much can we survive. They made this lockdown. Like we some man glad. Like we not glad because na day we get we survive. They let today. So then I want to go to cow with the take. Now I want to go one cow. So we happy for that Saturday. But the lockdown what they make. We they talk to the big one there. Let them able sorry for. We let them watch out. We the you man who they na the gun now. Who they are not the pambad. We not too much can we survive. We they talk to people there. The big people there. Let them able help we. If not small survive, let them able can give. We don't able survive to these 3 days. If not so for that, this lockdown where they lockdown, like we not go appreciate. We let for stay. No, if they lock this down, someone left for die for this lockdown because now through this Moscow could they do how they beg the people like the big one there. Tell to the president, they beg there, let them help who the youth man who they observe down the streets, who are streets to survive. We also they will not fair to let you could cost nobody. Now through this Moscow could they do? Would they beg the big one, they let them able assist who they are, let them able cow small still able survive to this 3 day lockdown. Do how they beg the big one.
How you can prevent yourself as a driver so you not go get this sick?
I will prevent myself. All the law will then give with the eyeball on now. For say use glove, masks, we use dress, when what's here we do.
So why you not using masks right now?
Why I not using masks? Because I not work today. Now I can't go. I can't go now. I go west. I go work. I use her.
Alright, but you know say government say where the public place you for use her, man.
Yes, I know that, man.
Alright, then for try hurry and go use her, yeah?
Yes, man.
Alright, so now the message you they send to people them out there.
So the message, this lockdown will then give you no be nobody above the law. Any kind we are sick. Some man glad for the sick, some man not glad. Still with the job, pray God, let God help. We let the sick get done.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Good morning and welcome to this interview. Go tell me your name.
Yes. Good morning, ma. My name is Ronald Wilson.
Alright, Ronald, how you feel concerning this 3 days lockdown? What's your own expression that you get?
Well, thank you very much for asking me this question. This one for say any carry this na disease. We all are citizens of this country, we not glad for this disease. We don't cancel this country. But the main thing I want to talk, the main significant thing now, remember the first time we get 3 days lockdown, then be informed we quick ahead the time where the lockdown they reach. And then some of you will prepare, will find some 2-3 things for logistics, to go survive. But this, not that 3 days lockdown where they count now. I want to know myself as you don't cut away like that. One of my friends catch me say Sunday lockdown, like that. And just cut away per man they know like that and say Sunday lockdown. Yeah, some of you now day to day living with them, day to day surviving. Like me, so what they talk to now, so me na apprentice now. Some of them passengers they went in Simaba and Sabiwi. Like my mama na plazas they sell at Congo market. One good day, my mama don't come over to sell plazas na Congo market. Na so we stay left. We eat. Parce que my mama don't go sell plazas na Congo market. My small sister go na market, he go take the bye-bye. And half past them 4 o'clock before they can cook in the house. So like this, so they can give you cuts away no more so. And not for funny for real. Yes. They break so papa government, they let them sit for restraint. More like who they in the streets. Let them sit for restraint. Where they na them parking, go there. Like we now this day we work with the Paris apprentice. They don't pull one passenger per passenger there. And right now where they work, bang the gum. You don't work for money to net back. Nothing. Now who say man they gum back they cry. And we mama them back where they do business back. Them back where they sell back the gumbo. Any carry it's no nice for you right now. Although what they do now, we they pray to God. Any carry this dirty sick, let God make it common at this country. By God in grace and power, because it's not disease. Any carry, yes.
But then how you can prevent yourself so you don't go get the virus?
Yeah, but I prevent myself. We they use glove, we they use face masks. Yeah, we wash you and they cook the tank under. That tank they under every day. We they bail them 4 batter, 5 batter water. Now we they flop and they go chairman now. We they provide the soap for we. Any passenger, this is already map at this line, the all wash the hand proper. Yes, that duty today now we take an hour.
But why you not wearing masks right now?
Okay, I do small work, but as I come here from now, I wear my mask. My mask every day. Yes, from now, let me say 2 minutes more, I go wear my mask and my glove in my hand.
Alright, so thank you very much. Yes. Morning to you, welcome to this interview. Go tell me your name.
My name is Safia.
Alright. Safia, how do you prepare for this 3 days lockdown?
Well, me I not prepare nothing.
Why you not prepare?
Because I'm not aware of.
But what do you think about this lockdown?
Well, for me, I'm not happy for me.
I mean, you're not happy. Not facing the right method this government they use.
No, not the right thing that day. But if they send this lockdown, for all of them 2-3 days, then for that it safer. Then to the extent safe, we don't have control that. Then they just cut and short say lockdown. So for that, me I not keep nothing. So me not happy for.
You not keep nothing. So what do you think say government we need for do so that you go?
Well, like how we do this we don't parking ground. If they can't give half bag safe, we wait inside. Well, we don't think see way, we don't find for we.
So when are the messages they send to people concerning how to prevent themselves? I can prevent yourself so you don't get it.
Well, me that at the last minute they don't provide that big tank here for we. So the was then supply give them with then mark them so they can use them.
Alright, finally it's on today.
Well, we usually use them all day among the cookie boku, but in a way as you don't alone, now I cannot able to take them.
Alright, thank you very much. Yeah. Good morning to you, welcome to this interview. Go tell me your name.
My name is Amadou.
Alright, Amadou, how you prepare for this 3 days lockdown? How you prepare?
Well, as me outside, I don't prepare well.
Why?
Because I'm not even consulting. I don't know nothing about this interview. So for saying that so thing get for happen. So I don't know.
Alright. But then the 3 days lockdown, if you say now the right method government they use in order for fight this sick coronavirus.
Yes, now the righteous thing they do for fight this sick, and they care for help we or save yourself not get sick. But at least if you don't consult me for this lockdown also, for look better.
But then people they grumble say nothing not doing in the country and they're not able to survive these 3 days. What's you get to say about that?
Well, that's what the people they see. That's not in the country. Because if you not go up by it, go fena, I don't see like say you will get her. But she make efforts, and you can make efforts back again when you get her back again. You know you will get it and too much. It's an cool at time when you know you get. You know that you sleep. Wait for the night that they will take what they provide for you.
Alright, so how you can prevent yourself in order for fight this sick so you not go reach to your family?
Well, We see the government and see for what we do, for what we go to Wasan, any 15 minutes, for what we go to Waswian. Now we do.
So you can wear your mask?
Well, like you wear my mask, I still no more on away from where because you decided to car. On another like it. But as I still send him to car, I get my mask. I get my hand glove and my hand, I get my mask.
Alright, so what's the last message you send to viewers then?
Well, the last message I give to the people and I hope say when government don't pass the order, no way to we need for appreciate law we honor to the government. But see them say for what we do, and we for the do. Whether say we left please, for left farm and go to the good way where they want we follow we do. So now that's the information what they give to the people in this country.
Alright, thank you very much. Fabo, you said don't listen to different people and where they're gonna turn up or go prepare for this lockdown, to drivers them and also to the apprentices them, how they do for first DC so that they not go get time and also how they prepare for the 3 days lockdown. Moving the program come to you today, my name is Kona Sise. Till we meet again to another edition of Talk to the Camera, I say tata.